morning, Kenway.
Not a bad-looking tinderbox you got there.
You sound a bit green, Horny Gold. Is it envy? Because mine's bigger than yours.
Like my dick. There's one man pulling that ship. Is that actually realistic? Is that how physics works? I actually have no clue. I just know it was this man is the strongest man I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit. Alright, tie them up, pull their pants down, sodomize them. Dun-na. Dun-na. Oh god! Wait. I might have made a mistake. I made a mistake. Don't question your captain, you fucking bitch. This is light. Whoever told me I was mad can eat a dick. Oh, wrong button. Ooh! Oh wait, what? Hey guys, wanna help? I'm sure that guy whose third eye slit said the same thing as his friends watched him die. Take their rum and their cherries, boys. We're raping them.
A fine purchase today. What's the crew's mood?
All smiles and no teeth. And there's a few talking about meeting with Master Kid to steal from a nearby plantation.
Plantation?
Oh.
Profitable too, if we can manage it.
Is there another reason why you want to steal from a plantation? Any underlying issues you want to talk to me about? Is this solely business? Not trying to say anything. I feel like you could have other. Do you know what? Never mind.
Fresh meat here, sir. Harpoon it down, so say.
Ready the whaleboat, lad.
Oh, I can really harpoon? I have to do. So there's no one else more qualified than me to do this. Are you kidding me? I'm the captain. I gotta swim the fucking ship. What? Why do I have to fucking do everything? Fuck.
There!
Fuck. Yay! So no one else is qualified enough to do this shit. I have to do everything on this goddamn shit? Like, am I the fucking doctor too? Like, Jesus.
Why, look. It's the bastard son of the late William Kidd. Still a mere boy, and yet 10 times the demon his father was.
Oh, thanks, man.
Seeing you here, Kenway. Still looking sleek and mean. Did you steal that costume from a dandy in Havana?
No, sir. I found this on a corpse.
There's something about this man. For some reason, I just want him to make me a sandwich. I don't know why. Bitch! Do you know what? Fuck you. Who the fuck said that? Oh, you're fucking lucky this is timed. How the fuck are you supposed to be stealthy in a boat? How the f- Okay, this is probably asking a bit too much, don't you think? Yeah, bro, staying out of combat, yeah, no fucking promises.
Batten yourselves!
Ah, fuck it, I really don't care enough. Alright, if you see me, fuck it, what's gonna happen? If the mission's not gonna end because I'm seen, I don't give a shit. This sucks. This is actually kinda unfun. This is actually really unfun, wow. I hope I don't have to do this a lot. So no one's gonna come with me? So not only am I the only one capable of fucking sailing the ship, the only one capable of harpooning, I'm the only one capable of being sneaky. And I'm not even fucking good at that. Alright. You guys are fucking useless. Bitch. Why am I timed? What the fuck? I don't think I can make it. Shit.
What's happened here? Why such disarray?
Bit of a do, sir, that's all. It's Wilmington's birthday.
Oh, word?
And you saw fit to get pickled on duty.
No bother, sir. We have everything sorted.
Wow, why does he sound so white?
For you must double the watch this evening.
He sounds like a Canadian surfer.
Whatever for? I believe I was followed here, young man.
Nah.
Hi. You up
Fuck.
there? Look alive, man. You've a job to do.
Oh,
Apologies, sir. I'll keep my eyes peeled.
nothing suspicious. Damn, I'm doing a little bit too much for a fucking captain.
Halt! You'll go down like a sack of potatoes.
Would you like to demonstrate that for me? Thanks. Alright, so that's how I'm gonna go down. Alright. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, I'm supposed to go to my ship? Okay. Fuck it, I'll just casually walk. Like, fuck it, what are they gonna do?
Bastards in me sight.
Yeah. Ow. Let me just keep casually walking. Yep. Gonna keep casually walking. Human shield. Alright, gotta just keep casually walking, because y'all ain't gonna do fucking shit. Nah, I'm good, bro.
Enemy making for us, sir.
That ship's a monster. Look at the size of it.
Aye. And we'd not last long face to face with her. Hear that, Kenway?
Oh no. We're really doing this
They'll
again.
strike when fortune favors it.
In the cover of darkness, most likely.
Aye, it may come to that.
I hate doing this with all my heart and soul. Alright. Okay, let's get over with.
Hostile warship closing.
And there's nothing much I can really do about it.
Spanish seems to be alone, sir. Refit all
There's nothing much I can really do about it.
Royals, start. Do not let her ram us, Captain.
Calm down. He's literally like a solid 50 feet away. He's not ramming shit. Calm down.
Enemy fire! Batten yourselves!
Careful, Captain.
More sail! All sail!
Do not leave her space enough to
Brace
ram us.
yourselves!
Oh, actually, he might ram us. Dude, can we not do this? Like, actually, please. Ah.